Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you things successful people do to earn respect. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, successful people have good communication skills. Every connection starts with communication, which is also crucial for gaining respect. People that are successful recognize the value of brief and clear communication and take steps to ensure that others can understand them. They are able to communicate in a way that is clear to grasp, and they can pay attention to other people and meet their needs. Additionally, they communicate via nonverbal cues including tone of voice and body language. Successful people can develop credibility and trust with others through effective communication, which is essential for gaining respect. Second, successful people show others how to behave. Successful people lead by example because they are aware that deeds speak louder than words. They are prepared to own up to their mistakes and accept accountability. They are not afraid to take chances and are also not afraid to own up to and learn from their errors. Additionally, they exhibit a great work ethic and dedication to their objectives, which motivates others to follow their example. Successful people create an example for others to follow and gain the respect of those around them by doing so. Third, those that are successful exhibit compassion and understanding for others. People who are successful recognize that gaining respect requires more than simply success. It also requires developing relationships with others. They are prepared to take the time to comprehend and value the opinions of others since they are aware of how complex people may be. They are able to place themselves in other people's situations, comprehend their needs, and respond to those needs in a kind way. Additionally, they are aware that respect is a two-way street and are prepared to reciprocate respect in order to obtain it. Successful people are able to develop lasting relationships and gain the respect of those around them by demonstrating empathy and compassion for others. In conclusion, gaining respect requires more than just accomplishment, it also involves one's personal behavior. People that are successful recognize the value of clear communication, setting an example for others, and demonstrating sensitivity and understanding. Successful people are able to gain the respect of those around them by communicating clearly, setting an exemplary example, and treating others with sensitivity and understanding. Building great relationships and succeeding in any area requires these three elements above. So thanks for watching. And if you are new, please make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications just so every time I upload you won't miss anything.